Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And welcome to another episode of Python from zero to hero. In this episode, we're gonna learn some stuff that we can do with integers and some functions that we can use with integers. And I have my code ready here, but I have another empty file here to just write code for you. I want to explain here and write code here. Okay, so we have a variable called x, which is -10, and we have a variable called y, which is 5. So the ABS function, which is absolute value function. What is the absolute value? The absolute value tells you how far is a number or value from 0. It is just ABS and your value here. So let's just have our x, and let's use small values like 2 and 3 because they will work better. -3, and we have z, which is a string, and this string is 12, and we have w, which is a decimal number. Okay, so now let's use absolute value and let's print the results. Print ABS of x, and the ABS of x is 2, the ABS of y is 3. Okay, so that's how the absolute value function works. Now we have the power function, which is pow, and it raises your value to a power. You have your value here and the power here. Let's use that as well. So print pow x power 2, which is 4. So x power 2 is 4. Let's comment this, and then let's print power of this one, y power 2, which is 9. That's cool. That's about the power with integers. Let's comment this and this so that they will not execute every time we execute our file or every time we run our file using the int function. So the int function converts a floating point number or a string to an integer. Okay, so let's use this. So let's say here that this is z when it is an int, and this is w when it is an int. So let's now print our values. Print z int and w int, and now our z int will be 12, and our w int, since our w is a floating point number, we're gonna convert it to 2. So this is our w int and this is our z int. Okay, now what we have here is the round function. So we have a and we have b, and when they are rounded like this, you can just round, and you can round to a number. Okay, if you have a lot of stuff going on here, you can round to 2 to 3 numbers. Okay, let's use that as well. So we have here 0.555, we have w, and we have, let's say we have a, which is 3 point some stuff going on here, and let's print round w. Okay, two numbers. So it's gonna be 2.55, so 0.65, yeah, because it is 5 here. Yeah, I forgot about math. So, and we're gonna round it again. We're gonna round a to 4 numbers. 4. Okay, we're gonna round a to 4, and a rounded to 4 is this. You see here it was 85 and it became 86. Let's round it to 2 numbers, and it is 3.26 because it was 25. So that's it for the integer functions that we can use. And I hope that this video was useful. There is a lot of integer functions. This is just a small amount of functions to make this video short and simple. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below.